Hello, let's study grammar today. We are all aware how to arrange the letters and the words alphabetically from A to Z. Now we will learn an advanced version of that is finding the words and to put them in an alphabetical order. Now, what do you mean by alphabetical order? Let's see the definition first. The order in which the letters A to Z appear is known as the alphabetical order of letters. For example, candle, award, zoo, bin are the four words. Now, how will we arrange them alphabetically? If you see the very first letter of each word, they are C, A, Z, and B. So, alphabetically, A comes first, so we have to put award as the first word, followed by bin, then there will be candle, and then lastly, zoo. Similarly, in the next example, a bit tricky one, gold, goat, goal, and golf. So if we see all the letters, that is G and O. So if we see the first two letters are same. So by default we tend to get confused in that. So don't worry, go for the third letter in that. If we see there is GOL, GOA, again GOA and GOL. So there, what do we need to do? Since A comes first again, we'll take up goal as the first word, then goat, gold, and golf. Now, there are two rules to that. So, if we arrange words beginning with the same first letter by looking at their second letter, if both the letters are same, then we move on to the third letter. That is, if both first and second letters are the same, we look at the third letter to arrange it. Now let's see quick examples. Fill the words alphabetically. For example, Asian is given and astrology is given. And you need to fill the two words in between. So we need to see here AS, two letters are same. So we have to put in Asian and ask. Arrow won't fit here, right? Now waffle, dash, dash and waist. So the correct placement will be wagon and wallet. Praise and print, in between there'll be prank and prick. Petal and pigeon, there will be petrol and pie. Just as that, you can make any words other than these also which are suitable, but see to it that they fit between these two words. What do I mean by that? Now, if we see here petal and pigeon, again letter P is common, but here PE is common between petrol and petal. But if we see here the next letter after E, we have jumped to I. But again that I, the next letter is E, so it should be less than or the letter previous to G. That word you should pick up. So we need to think on that and then only we can write and score marks here. Okay. So in the higher standards, like till first to third, it was very simple. You got a question, we had to arrange the alphabets. Then we got to arrange the words. But now in this chapter, the standard fourth, we will get a question wherein we need to add the words between these two different words. Okay. Bye.